Okay, do you have an old boring garage door? Well, you can spice it up with these accent pieces. You can do it yourself. They are quick and easy. First, you need a drill and 5 different drill bits and attachments. Pre-drill. Just kidding, guys. Look at this. They're magnetic. All right, take your old boring garage door. Is it metal? If it's metal, magnets will stick to it. This is an awesome set. No pre-drilling, no tools, no special skills required. Look at that, guys. Just install them anywhere you want. Missed that one. Got that one. All right, so these pieces are rigid, solid, with magnets at the back. What it does is, if you install it in kind of the strategic location, it mimics the look of solid hardware, old world charm. It'll take a basic, boring metal garage door and it'll look like it's an old carriage door. Now you don't want to put it at the seam because when the door opens and closes, it'll pop it off. So find the middle of the door, maybe put the simulated handles there, maybe symmetrically put the hardware hinge locations there. It works on any size door. Check this out. That's a small 8-foot door, but you can do it on a larger 16-foot door as well. You can order these on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Let's get to installing.